This is a live recording of the IU Social website made by Team 3 as a part of software engineering coursework in spring 2017. So this is how the welcome page of a website looks like. And when you are a new user to our website, you can see when you need an account, register here link. You can register yourself when you click on that link. You can see the registration page here, which contains first name, last name, email, confirmation email, password, and confirm password. When you enter all these details and you say whether you are a professor or a student and click send code, you will get a verification code to the email you entered here. And when you enter the verification code here and you click register, you will be added to our database and you will have a new account. You can log in using those credentials here. I will log in here using the pre-existing user, and I will open a new tab as a concurrent user to show the changes. So I have logged in here as myself, and I have logged in here as Rahul Sampal. And coming to the features of the website, the first and the foremost feature that I want to show you guys is post feature. If there is something on your mind that you want to express, like when you make a post, and as Stephen Paul is a friend of mine, his account will reflect the change in his timeline. In his post, you can see that Rahul Sampal just posted a new text saying that I want to have Indian food right now. And you can like the post. You can comment on the post saying I am also interested, and you can post it. So when you come back to Rahul Sampal's account, you will get notifications. So this bell icon here is the notification icon, and you will get how many notifications you have right now. So there are 2 notifications, and when you click on this, it opens up a drop down which contains that Stephen Paul commented on your post, Stephen Paul liked your post recently. It can say the time here saying that just now. Okay, so if it's a post from like 3 minutes ago, this is a post made by Stephen Paul 3 minutes ago. And if you want to delete a post on your timeline that you don't want to see anymore, you can click this red icon here. And when you click on it, it will ask you if it's okay to delete the post. And when you click OK, you won't be able to see the post anymore. Very cool. And coming to the next feature of our website is the notification feature. As I have showed you before, if somebody else sent you a group friend request, or liked your post, commented on your post, you will get a notification in real time here. And the next feature of our website is the group feature. So this icon here represents the groups that you are currently in right now. So Rahul Sampal is currently part of all these groups. And if he wants to create a new group, I can click create new group, and I can say I want to create a group of tennis players in Indiana University. So I'll say and I want to make this group open so that anyone can join it without my approval. So I'll click no. If I say yes here, everybody will send a group request to me, and I can make an informed decision whether to accept that person or not. But I'm not going to do that here. So I'm setting it to no, and I'm saying the genre as sports. I'm going to create the group right now. That's it. There's a new group created over here. And the other cool feature that is in our website is if you created a group which is a closed group, and if somebody wants to join that group, they can search for a group, and when they find such group, they can send a group request. And when you get the group request, it will be shown on your navigation bar over here. So currently you have no group requests, so there are no requests to accept right now. And this icon represents the friend request. So when you click on this icon, you can see who sent you friend requests, who want to make friends with you. You can see that Asma Ma here want to make friends with you. So you can quickly accept that, or you can ignore that. So I want to accept this. And that's it. Now Asma Ma is a friend of yours. The other feature that I want to show you is the chat feature. So when you click on this message icon, you can see everybody that messaged you previously. And when I click on some person, I can quickly go to the chat between him and me. So here we can say, and when I click send, he can get the message saying that I want to know how you're doing, and he can reply to that message. But as currently he is not logged in, I will send a quick message to Stephen Paul. And I'll migrate to my account here and see whether I get the message or not. So see, you have a new message in your box. So when you open the particular message, you can see how are you, and you can respond. And here he can be able to see the notification of the message received from Stephen Paul saying that I am fine. So the post feature is a very useful feature, and it is implemented in our website between a group of people as well. So when you go to a group, so this is a group that has 4 people right now, and if you want to exchange messages between people, you can say and if somebody else is in the group currently, he can be able to post the message to the group. For example, I am logged in here, Stephen Paul, so he is a part of the group Cooper Crew as well. So when I go into the group as through his account, I can see the messages here saying that hi anybody. So I can quickly reply, and these messages can be reflected over here saying that Stephen Paul just sent reply message in the group. So that's how you communicate among the people in the group. So this is the news feed saying that if you want to post something in a group, you can post, let's say I want to know about when you say like this, interested people can comment on the post. So as you can see, Rahul Sampath just made a post. I want to know about the people of this group. So if you want to comment about your interest, you can comment it over here, and you can be able to see the comment as well. If you want to like the post, you can like the post. And one unique feature of our website is IU Global Forum. So this website is a group which basically contains only students and not professors. So professors are excluded from joining this group, and as default, every student who logged into our account is a part of this group. So currently 11 members are part of this group. So there are 11 students in our account right now. As you can see, there are 7 members right now. If you want to post something to this group, you can post saying I want to know about badminton groups. So Rahul Sampath just mentioned a post in IU Global Forum saying that I want to know about badminton clubs. So when you go to this group, if you can see the post of Rahul Sampath who is wanting to know about badminton clubs. If you are a part of badminton club and you want to send him details of the badminton club, you can send "we have club at WIC, wanna join?" And Rahul Sampath can now see the post, see the comment of yours saying "we have a club and want to join." And then now you know that you have a badminton club in Indiana University. Similarly, if you want to post something about a coursework, for example, if you want to know about a course, how hard it is, how tough it is, or how does a professor teach, how good is the professor, how good are the marks that are being given, then you can mention a post something here. And if a student who took the course previously can comment on that, and you will be secure from professors accessing to the post, as professors are not part of this group. Similarly, you can delete a post that you made here as well. If you want to delete the post, and click OK, and boom, your post is gone. And the new feature that I want to show you right now is the profile page itself. So when I go here, I can see that all the posts in my timeline. So every post that my friend made, every post that I made, I can see it over here. So I can post a video, I can post text, I can post pictures, and I can see the messages between me and myself. If I want to store something between me and myself, I can store it here, saying that "remind me of bringing X." So this is your own personal space, so that nobody else can see this post and it acts as a reminder for you. And this is the about page, which describes who are you, what are you interested about, what is your email, title, projects, etc. So, and if you want to post a new post, then a pop-up will appear where you can post something new. And coming to the last but one feature is the settings. So when you click on the screw icon over here, you will be redirected to a new page which contains all the settings of your profile. If you want to upload a new picture, you can do that. If you want to change your name, first name, last name, you can do that. If you want to write something about yourself, you can do that. If you want to change the password to a new password, if you feel like it, you can update the password as well. And if you want to close the account because you don't want to use it anymore, you can close the account. And the other feature that I want to talk about right now is the search feature. So the search feature, if you want to make some new friends, if you want to find your friend quickly, you can type it in here. So when I want to see his profile, I can simply type Patu and I can be redirected to his profile. So let us quickly search for Rahul Sampath. As you can see, it shows a drop down suggesting that there is a person with name Rahul Sampath. So we have used autocomplete forms to implement this. Yep. So if you want to log out from the page, you can click this icon which redirects you to the welcome page. And that's it. The tools and technologies used for building this project are PHP, jQuery, Bootstrap, MySQL, and JavaScript. We have also used Google Fonts autocomplete APIs to make this website having more functionality and having more features. And the future enhancements that we can do to this website are, when you post a demo, you can make a live demo so that some persons who are online can see the video in live. And the other feature that we can add is the status feature in our chat. So when somebody is online, he can be seen with a green icon and some